Today is the school's sports day. All students have participated in different games. Anil was sitting away from everyone. He looks tired and sad. His friend Ria comes to him and inquires,
What's the matter, Anil? You look very tired. And why did you run so slowly?
Maybe because I didn't practice the whole year.
Ahmed sir, the sports teacher, comes towards Anil.
What's the matter, Anil? I haven't seen you practice for months and you have gained a lot of weight. So much of weight gain in such a short span isn't good for your health.
Sir, is weight gain a bad thing? He is growing up. And so shouldn't he gain some weight?
Ria, the amount of weight that Anil has put on is way more than what children your age should gain. This is a matter of concern. Weight gain and lack of exercise can lead to non-communicable diseases.
Sir, what are non-communicable diseases?
Non-communicable diseases or NCDs are diseases that don't spread from person to person through touch. Wrong food habits and lack of exercise can cause obesity and other food-related non-communicable diseases like diabetes, high blood pressure, heart diseases, cancer, etc.
Sir, these are diseases that happen in old age. Children don't suffer from them.
That's not the case, my child. If we are to put 10 children in a group, then 5 of them would be suffering from high blood pressure, 1 would be suffering from diabetes, and 3% would be suffering from high cholesterol. Children who suffer from obesity are more susceptible to these diseases. Children who eat food items that are high in fat content or have high levels of sugar or salt in them, or children who have diabetes, high BP, heart disease, hereditary in their family are more susceptible to NCDs.
Sir, then what should we do to protect ourselves?
You all should avoid HFSS food items like food that have high levels of fats, salt or sugar. High fat food items are the ones that are deep fried or the ones that have a lot of oil, butter or cream in them. For instance, samosas, fritters, French fries, pizzas, etc. High salt foods or food items that have high level of salt like chips, puffs, namkeen, pickles, sauces, chutneys, etc. High sugar foods or food items that have high level of sugar like cold drinks, juices, squashes, chocolates, sweets, pastries, etc. These can make you fat and can interfere with your blood vessels. This can increase your risk of contracting blood pressure or diabetes. That's the reason we should eat a balanced diet. We should eat at least 5 fruits or 5 vegetables along with whole grains, pulses and lentils, chicken, fish, nuts, low-fat milk and dairy products and enough water. Intake of healthy fats found in fish, nuts and vegetable oil is also recommended.
Can healthy eating habits protect us from non-communicable diseases?
Yes, indeed. But we need to remember that in order to remain healthy, our body needs at least 60 minutes of exercise. You could choose a dance form, sport or exercise of your choice so that your body remains fit and healthy.
Okay sir, I will start eating a balanced diet and work towards a healthy body from today itself.
Yes, Anil. And next year you will perform better than all the participants.
Yes, indeed. Good luck, dear children.
Issued in public interest by Food Safety and Standard Authority of India.